Jordan there. I wonder if Jordan there. Jordan. I wonder if I'm there. Master Baker tired. Master Baker tired. My attorney talk about say she while we work out. Me work already. I mean I feel like to go out. Me I spend time. Me I spend time with my gift them. What bring it send come give me. I wonder if you don't know so my bring it send me gift. My bring it send me gift. I'm not going nowhere without my bring it gift. Nowhere. My bring it gift have to stay on the sofa with me. Yeah. My bring it send me my Christmas gift. Yeah. 3 of them. My bring it send me. Yeah. My bring it send me coconut rum cake. My bring it send me sorrel. Sorrel. Oh, bring it love me, bring it love me. I don't wish I have a bring it like me don't. I know I don't wish I have a bring it like me. Yeah. This is the fruit one. What my bring it send come give me. I not go nowhere without my bring it gift. Yeah. My attorney talk about say she want we work out. Me done work. I may spend time with my gifts them from my bringing. Yeah, Christmas they're right around the corner. I have to spend time with my gift them. I'm not going out. So she and her workout can go on. I'm not in it. I don't in it. Vanilla biscuit get from my nerve. She can turn out a little bit in the core. Yeah, Master Baker not in a mood. So I can mix with nobody. I don't mix with people. I don't mix with people. I love spend time with me bringing gifts. Let me feel, oh. Got inside door before she come call me. Come in and enough hand sign up phone. Yeah. Hi, biscuit.
Hi, Master Baker.
Come. You know your way by now. Yeah.
What's wrong with you, Master Baker?
I don't feel good.
What's wrong?
I don't feel good at all. I do all I work already, but I don't want to go out.
That's not the type of workout I'm here for. I'm here to exercise.
Well,
to get you ready for the final countdown. Christmas is Saturday. See, I brought my weights for you to lift.
Hurt me. My head hurt me, my body hurt me, everything hurt me.
Everything hurt you.
Everything hurt me. I do all I work already. I bake from last night. I bake from last night, so the cup them up there. I
Yes,
just
I
fill
see.
them up. And I come up with a nice, new cereal, coconut and fruit.
You have a new recipe?
New recipe.
Brand new?
Brand new. And the way I feel sick, I don't even know. I can't finish them. I have like 3 of them done already. And I want you to try them, but for do the whole 100 that I need, I can't manage. I'm sick. Me a cough, my body hurt me, my back hurt me, my belly hurt me. Santa, shut the hell up! Santa, shut up! Shut up! Oh! you too. Santa, shut up! Shut up! Yes!
He's annoying you?
He's annoying. He get up and sing all rotty there. Grab the damn wine and shut up. Yes. So I'm sick. Vanilla biscuit. Me sick.
So how are you going to win if you're sick?
Me don't know how me gonna win.
You
So
only have to do 100.
So if me not win, I become sick. I become sick because there's no way they could have win if me never sick. No way, me sick, man, me sick. Me gonna make a tasty cake though. But me sick, me can't go out.
That wasn't the type of out I was talking about. I was talking about workout. Exercise
Oh,
workout.
God, my body. Oh, take. Oh, jeez, my belly. Oh,
Exercise.
Oh, God, my belly. Oh, Jesus.
Lift some weights.
Oh, God, my belly.
Do some squats.
Oh, my body. Oh, no.
It help with your body.
No.
Yes, the squats will help with your body.
Oh, no, me can't do nothing that show up from my
And then you lift some weights.
diarrhea, me have all of that biscuit. Me gonna make you try it. It hate them to show you some of their work. Me gonna make you try it. It hate them. And me know say with them a cake, me that done. Take your competition. Me weak. Me and then weak. Me not even know if you can cut the cake. Me gonna make you taste it.
All right, before you do that, I'm going to go to the bathroom.
You got the bathroom?
Yeah, I'll be
You know the bathroom that go down the hallway and take a ride.
Okay, all right. I'll be right back.
Okay, alright. Hurry up in a biscuit, no well while you try them, although me sick.
Okay.
Now get our attention.
Master Baker, you're doing a lot of moaning and groaning.
I know I cut the cake for you to try. Just try them. Put a couple little pieces. My hand is weak. Couldn't even cut anything bigger than that. But try. Just try. Those are the 3 cakes that me
These little tiny pieces,
Yeah, just my hand weak.
you couldn't do no better than
I
these 3 little
couldn't stand up
pieces.
for long. That's how bad I'm hurting.
These are your new recipes.
That's how bad me hurt. That's how bad me hurt. I'm a new one them there, yeah. I'm a new one. Yeah. Taste them and see some that win the competition. No. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, them nice ones.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they're very good. They couldn't win if me get a chance.
No. No.
They
You need
can't-
to try and figure out, we need to try and figure out a way for you to win.
I know me need to figure out a way.
You need 100.
Me can't manage. Vanilla biscuit, me can't manage. Me cannot manage. Look how me a sweat. Me a fever.
Where would you like me to put your plate?
You can put it in my sink.
Okay.
Please. Look how me a sweat.
Hey,
Yeah.
Master Baker, you're sick.
Yeah, me have a temperature of 115.
115.
Yes.
Oh, no.
The last time I checked it. Yeah.
Oh, my
yeah,
goodness.
Yeah, 115. My temperature there. Yeah.
You're sweating.
Yeah, I'm sweating, you see, because it's 90% of yeah, I have 90% of people were not educated, we don't buy off the whole of my cake.
Yeah?
The whole of my cake and I don't buy off the win. And me know it's a guarantee win.
Oh, you know it's a guarantee win.
But my body hurt me, my body shrink. When I jaw gone up and the next one come down, I sickness.
Where did you get your body done, Master Baker?
To my doctor from prison.
Prison?
Yeah.
You were in prison?
Yeah, me in that prison.
You didn't tell me you were in prison.
Yeah, me in that prison. Me not tell you for what though, me not tell you for what though, vanilla biscuit. Me too embarrassed, but me promise me love Saltisha and string bean that I would come out and be the best baker ever.
The best baker
And
ever.
I was gonna win this year. Yeah, me promise them the love of my life. Yeah.
They're the love of your life?
Yes, next to bringing, of course. Nobody can take away bringing. Bringing is for out here. They're for there. They're still there.
Oh.
Yeah.
So they did the surgery?
No, they recommend me to two ex-convict. One named Rocky. Yeah. And one named Ashes.
Rocky and Ashes.
Rocky and Ashes.
Two inmates in prison.
Yeah. Rocky and Ashes. They're not in prison no more. They're out here. Yeah. Them do my body. And because me tell them so me that pay them, me do it on layaway, then mess it up. Now it give me a hard time.
They did it on layaway?
Yeah, they did it on layaway plan. Me tell them they don't sell a whole heap of cake and pay them back. Or me never pay them back and me not feel good. Look at me.
Yeah, you're sick.
Me sick. Me sick.
Yes, I see you're
You
sick.
see, so me can't work for winning the competition though. That's the only way Planka Boss and Your Majesty are going. I become sick.
I think I need to carry you to the hospital, Master Baker.
Yeah, hospital open now.
Yes, hospital's open 24 hours.
So me have to go to hospital.
Yes.
Why?
If you have a temperature of 115 and you're in so much pain.
But me
we
have
need to get you
higher
checked.
temperature than that before. You know. Sometimes the temperature will go up to 200. 115 of that high.
Well, it's not normal.
You know?
Your temperature is
Biscuit
not
me
normal.
know on a Freddy, you know. But all me need are just some soursop leaf tea or some sorosy. You can't find no sorosy.
No.
You can't find no sorosy.
No, I don't even know what that is.
What do you mean you don't know what sorosy is?
No.
Some leaf of life. Some peppermint.
Well, I don't have that.
You know what I mean? You can't boil up some of that.
I don't have that to boil
You know
up
what
to
I mean?
give you. So I need to take you to get you checked.
And because they stopped sending me bush tea, you know. Else we could have just boil up something and book me feel better now. I don't like it doctor things. I mean.
Well, you don't have what the bush tea. What is it called?
Sorosy, man. Some sorosy.
Sorosy?
Yes, some sorosy tea that do me good.
Oh.
That's all me do now. Just boil up some tea and me feel better. Me not forget my doctor.
Well, do you have any?
No, me not have none.
Okay, since you don't have any, you have to go to the doctor. Come, I'm going to bring you to the doctor.
Jesus Christ. Alright. Me pack up my medicine then. We can't go show a doctor them in other bag here. Just in case me have to go to hospital. Me not left my medicine bag, you know?
Oh, you don't leave your
No, me
medicine
not left
bag.
my medicine bag. So me I go bring it with me. Go to the doctor. If you go bring me go to the doctor.
Yes, I'm going to bring you to go.
Then
go to the
vanilla
emergency
biscuit, we
room.
can just stop at the pharmacy and grab something. You don't have to carry me to hospital. That's too dramatic, you know.
No, it's not too dramatic. I'm not a doctor. I'm a lawyer.
Me know, but we don't need to go to hospital.
I don't have a medical degree. I have a law degree.
So you're in like 10%. We're educated.
I'm educated, yes.
Oh, me like 90%.
Remember, I work on Wall Street.
Me like 90%. And
You're
we don't
in
do that.
90%.
We don't do doctor and we go by
Oh.
pharmacy with you. But me not going to hospital.
No, I'm going to bring you to the hospital. I'm driving, so you can't tell me where to drive. Come on.
Yeah,
Come on,
I want you
Master
look for my body, vanilla biscuit. I just want you to take a good look for my body and see.
Whoa.
You see it?
It's, what happened to it? It's uneven and lumpy.
It hurts, you see, it hurts.
It's all lumpy.
It hurts. It hurts.
Are you going to be able to walk?
I can't even walk.
All right, come, let me help you.
I can't even walk. I can't even walk. Good forget doctor. That's why I'm all winning now because I'm sick.
So you're sick?
I'm becoming sick. I'm becoming sick. Why you feel so fragile?
I'm not
You
fragile.
feel fragile.
No, I'm very strong.
You feel
I'm
fragile.
very strong, Master Baker.
Yeah, I become sick. Make them all winning now. I'm going to take up a new career.
You're going to
next
take up
year.
a new career?
A new career.
Oh.
Next year. I'm going to come back dangerous next
So you
year.
can't give up the bacon.
No, me not give up the bacon. Me not give up the bacon. I become sick. You know, say I become sick. Why them all win, right?
Yeah.
You know, say look for me. You know, become sick. Them all win.
I know.
Because
I
when
know.
I
Especially
sick,
after I just tasted those cakes there.
Me there win.
You'd win.
Me
You'd
there win.
definitely win.
Some of them want Planka Boss and Christine say. Because
Mindful.
them yeah, me
Be
know,
careful,
me know,
be
me feel-
careful.
Yeah, me feel dizzy. Me don't want them feel like say, I because them good. Them winning. I become sick. I become sick. Them win by default.
They won by default.
Yeah. All right. Go
Well,
on.
there's
Me
next
know my
year.
way. Me have to lock my door. All right.
All right.